In this video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways of how something as simple as journaling can help you personally and professionally. As a person who's been journaling since I was 8 years old, it has amazing use, and let's get to it right now. Stay tuned to the very end as I share 2 amazing benefits of how journaling can really transform your life, and I'm going to share it at the very end. Well, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we offer resources like books and activity ideas, encouragement, and tools for people like you, parents, teachers, educators, people who work with young children. Let's get right into how you can use a journal, both personally and professionally. So the first way that you can use a journal is to express. Well, express what? Express your feelings, express your thoughts. For me, it's expressing to God. I use it a lot as a spiritual way, but you can also use it as a, you could say dear journal or dear diary. When I was a child, I would say that a lot. And so many times in my journal, as you can see here, I start off with dear God. And it's just a way, honestly, especially if you're having a challenging day, you know all about it. If you're a parent or anybody, if you're a human being, we all have challenging moments. But just starting off with Dear God really kind of settles your mood, and you can just express whatever that is. Or even if you want to say Dear Journal or Dear Diary. So you can use your journal to express. That is the first way. Number 2, you can use your journal to plan. You can use your journal to plan lesson plans, to plan things at your job or your workplace, to plan things in your home. So it could be a brainstorming, planning activities, planning your next project, planning, anything planned, jot it down in your journal. Number 3, and if you've been liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. But go ahead. So number 3, it's a simple one for notes, sermon notes, notes at your workplace, training notes, study notes, any type of notes. Just jot it down. Put the date at the top and jot down those notes. Number 4 is for lists, to-do list, list of things you want to accomplish, goals. Almost every week, I literally start off with a to-do list week of, and I still write it down. Now, I know that's a little old-fashioned for people. We live in a very technology-filled world, so let me know in the chat below. Do you still do to-do lists? Do you still write them down, or do you put them in your phone? And then number 5 is to doodle. Literally, there are doodles all throughout my journal. And, well, this one, yeah, here we go. You see this? I'm literally, here we go. I'm drawing a flower off to the side. I don't know, that's just how my brain functions, but I definitely doodle. But yeah, so 2 amazing benefits of journaling is number 1, it can be used as a self-care way to take care of yourself, meaning that it can help reduce stress. I believe there's studies out there that say that helps with your mental health. It helps with you staying focused. Also, journaling can be used as a track record of maybe things you've prayed and how God answered, or maybe goals that you set and how you accomplished them. It definitely can serve as a way of a keepsake, things that you can refer back to over a certain amount of time. So if you love journaling just as much as I do, I have a copy that I recently created for the Brown Bear Book Club that you can access right now below by clicking the link in the description box.